Struggling to find your notes when you need them? Let's create a system that works. Welcome to day 28 of the Transform 365 challenge. Yesterday, we gathered all our scattered notes into one central location. Today, we are taking the next step. We are organizing those notes using the para method, a simple yet powerful framework that makes it easy to find what you need when you need it. Para stands for projects, areas, resources, and archives, and it's designed to help you categorize your notes in a way that mirrors how you think and work. Projects. This contains notes related to active tasks or goals with a clear deadline. For example, a presentation that you're preparing for work or plans for an upcoming event. Areas. Notes about ongoing responsibilities or areas of focus in your life come under this. For example, health, finances, relationships, or personal development. Resources. This contains notes for reference or learning material that don't require any immediate action. Book summaries, recipes, or articles that you have saved for later can be saved here. Archives. These are notes that you no longer need actively but want to keep for future reference. Completed projects or old course material can come under this. This structure ensures that everything has a place and it makes it easier to locate information quickly. Start by going through your notes one by one and assigning them to one of these four categories. If you have meeting notes from an ongoing project at work, move them into the projects category. If you have saved workout routines or meal plans, place them under areas in a folder labeled health. If you have jotted down ideas from a podcast, add them to resources under a folder like personal growth. If you have old tax documents or completed assignments, move them to archives. Don't worry about getting it perfect. Just focus on creating broad categories that feel intuitive to you. Within each category, create subcategories or use tags to make your system even more organized. Under projects, you can create folders for specific tasks like marketing campaign, vacation planning, etc. In areas, have subfolders like finances, health, and career. Use tags like hashtag work, hashtag ideas, or hashtag personal growth so that you can search for related notes easily. This extra layer of organization makes your second brain even more efficient. If you are somebody who uses a physical journal, then you can color code your journal. You can categorize the different sections by using different colored pens. This extra layer of organization makes your second brain even more efficient. Organizing your notes with the para method helps you save time by making information easy to find when you need it, reduce overwhelm by giving everything a clear place in your system, and it helps you stay focused on what matters most, whether it's active projects or ongoing responsibilities. This method is especially helpful if you have ever wasted time in searching through scattered notes. It brings clarity and structure to your second brain. Take some time today to organize your notes using the para method. Which category feels most helpful to you? Projects, areas, resources, or archives? Share how you are organizing your system in the comments or post about it using the hashtag Transform365. I would love to see how this framework is helping you.